Using a voice activation system can often be cumbersome with having to use specific commands and such. Not anymore. Now on all Mini models, 2019 and newer, equipped with an 8.8 navigation, you can use language that is naturally easy to use. Best part is, you don't even have to wait for the system to finish speaking. You can interrupt it to make your experience even more natural. But if you are ever at a loss, simply ask for help, and the system will walk you through the possible commands that may be helpful. Help.
Here are a few important commands that I understand. Should I read them out?
Need to call someone? All natural language commands start by pressing this button on the steering wheel. When you hear this tone, it means the microphone on the driver's side is active and listening. Call Mr. Cooper.
Calling Mr. Cooper at home.
Getting directions to a specific address is just as easy. You can say, navigate to, or go to. But take me to also works, as does drive me to 300 Chestnut Ridge Road, Woodcliff Lake, New Jersey.
300 Chestnut Ridge Road, Woodcliff Lake was selected. Guidance has been started.
However you want to say it, your Mini will understand. You can even say, what's my tire pressure? And it will take you directly to the tire pressure screen to allow you to efficiently check your tire pressure. Or try, what's my oil level? To measure your oil level electronically. Voice commands can also be used to access menus a little easier, like radio.
Please select a waveband, such as FM or another entertainment source.
Or exterior lighting.
Exterior lighting. Please continue using manual control.
Want to change stations? Play the groove.